Let's go. We on a video of riding bikes, so this is very fun for us because we've been on a trip for about 50 to 55 minutes, and we're finally reaching our destination that we wanted to get to, and that's good right there. We've been on the road for a little bit now. Pretty tiring right here, but this I ain't sweating though. But we're going more so a little bit that way, and then we're gonna turn around and go back. You see them? That's where all animals are, or reindeer and stuff. Maybe Rudolph's in there. We never know.
Rudolph's where?
In there, probably not.
What is in there?
It's mostly like birds. The person lives in there though.
Have you heard about that clown stuff?
What?
With those people who like dress up in clown costumes. Do you believe that?
I mean, I know that they're doing it, but I don't care. You come around here, I kill you. Well, I ain't gonna kill you. My dad gonna kill you. I probably hurt him, but I ain't gonna kill nobody. Machete. You getting punched in the balls then? Well, I'm out. Nobody's gonna defeat the gun. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here.